My name is Merlin Knäble, and my dissertation is on overcoming barriers of digital accessibility by means of human-AI collaboration. Most digital content is not accessible, for instance missing image descriptions for screen readers of visually impaired people. My dissertation thus focuses on interactive labeling, alleviating such issues. It comprises 4 studies. My first allows system designers a convenient overview. The second quantitatively investigates motivational effects. Thirdly, I introduce autocomplete, making chemical literature accessible to blind and low vision individuals. In a mixed methods evaluation, I can demonstrate its feasibility. My ultimate study focuses on accessible publishing. In summary, my dissertation suggests numerous benefits of employing smart combinations of human expertise with the efficiency of AI. I contribute by outlining motivational effects, providing design knowledge for interactive labeling systems, as well as an understanding of enablers of digital accessibility.